Hey YouTube, it's your boy Boucher. Today we're back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a chicken Alfredo mukbang since I frequently made it, which it was today. So check it out. All nice and creamy and steamy. Since I warmed it up that way, so you can tell that. Oh yeah, that's the mukbang. And yeah, because I use spaghetti noodles instead of fettuccine or whatever. But let's get started though. It's super good though. Not gonna lie though. You can tell that that's my favorite thing to eat. Oh yeah, but check it out. All creamy and gooey. You can tell that I warm it up though. And check out the chicken though. And it, oh hang on. And I also got the water. Since I gotta have it. The thing I use for my Alfredo is the Pecor Alfredo sauce, and the bechamel sauce I made is homemade. So that's why I made it super creamy. That way it can look like real Alfredo. I can definitely taste, taste the sauce, and it is super good. Mm. And that's why it's super good. Oh, and also, I forgot to tell you. We're gonna be in Louisiana. We're gonna be out of quarantine until May the 15th, which is like 2 or 3 weeks away. But I can't wait. That means, let's see, I'm gonna do a I got out of the house for the first time due to being quarantined. I think I'm gonna do it on my other vlogs since gotta have some good content. Yeah, because I always wanted to do some vlogs instead of doing home vlogs, because I'm getting sick and tired of it. Since I'm not just trying to make my quarantine vlogs a bit boring though. Well, that's why I stopped doing them. I can definitely taste the chicken in there. Yes, I made some. I get some good seasons on it. You know. And when my stepdad, he don't get home until like 2 or 3, so that's why I'm going at home. And my mom, it's at work now since she don't get off at 5 until 5. And that's why I want to do this nothing a bit early. So yeah, my stepdad won't disturb me or any of this stuff. P.S. Alfredo is like my favorite quality dish. I don't know why it does that. some water though to wash this down. Yeah, all creamy inside. Got that. Oh, oh yeah, the things I use for my homemade sauce is I made a roux. Well, got a roux, milk. Yeah. Make sure that your sauce is digging up. And also, once it's digging up, gotta add some cheese, a bit of seasonings, and a bit of Parmesan cheese, and that's all. Yep, and that's how I made my Alfredo sauce. Oh yeah, just on my last video, if you saw my chicken and sausage Alfredo video, since you know I don't do sausage that much on my Alfredo. Well, chicken Alfredo. I'm not that tight. All I like is chicken on my Alfredo. Like I said, once it's finally over until the 15th, I can finally do vlog somewhere else, like outside the stores or somewhere else. Yes, I'm ready to get tired of sitting in this house all day since you know I haven't been to work for like almost 2 months. Well, it's about to be 2 months until Friday, May the 1st. But but that's some good Alfredo that I made. Well, you know, to be honest, so I made some good Alfredo, but you know, I got let's see, the key to make Alfredo is use a fettuccine noodles instead of spaghetti. That's why they use the spaghetti noodles. You can tell that I am almost done. Look, almost done. And voila, I'm all done. Yeah, like I said, make some good Alfredo. Hang on, I need to get rid of my water. Down my water. Excuse me. Well, yeah, you can tell that I'm finally done. Like I said, for like a dozen time, I'm finally done with my mukbang. Well, chicken Alfredo mukbang or homemade chicken Alfredo mukbang. Since you know I made see the sauce out of a can, and also the sauce I made is homemade. Them also sauce, but I don't know why I keep burping so much. So yeah. Way too. That's all for for this mukbang. Since we know that video is gonna go up tomorrow. Since we know, yeah, yes, yes, we know I was tired. This is to this homeless situation. Since we know I'm in college, got a lot of work to do and stuff. So yeah. Way too. If you're new to this channel, please give a like, share, and subscribe if you get a chance. Since we know, I used to get 36 subscribers, but now I got 35 subscribers. Wow, I don't know why some people unsubscribe me for no reason. I don't know why, but I need see, but I still need to grow though. My channel, I need to grow though. So yeah, way too. Hope you like this mukbang. I think it's serving, you know, just the pans. I mean, you know, hope you like this mukbang. So yeah, and well, YouTube, it's been your boy Bruce J. Peace out.